Respect nature. A short moral story. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Rosie. She loved exploring forest near her home, where there were always new and exciting things to discover. One day, while exploring, she found a beautiful flower that she had never seen before. It was so pretty that she decided to pick it and bring it to home. However, as she started to walk through the forest, she started to feel guilty. She realized that she had taken something which didn't belong to her, and that the flower belonged to the forest where it could bloom and flourish. She returned to where she had picked the flower and gently replanted it in the soil. Rosie gave it water and looked after it, and soon it flourished into a beautiful plant that brought to joy everyone in the forest. Moral: it is important to respect nature and leave things in their natural place. We will have a responsibility to protect our environment and help everything grow and flourish in their natural environment. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.